Hey, it's Chris and Lisa Handley with Remax Advantage Plus and the Handley Advantage team. We're here tonight to talk to you about why who you work with makes a difference.
We come in and we have the ability to do things that not every other real estate agent can. We have a construction company that we can do fix-its from little bitty things to some things that might be a little bit more major that need fixing up. And we also have the ability to come in and stage.
Stage and paint. So this house that we're in tonight, we actually helped buy a few years ago with our client. And so now that we're getting ready to list it, we came in, it still had the brown paint from many years ago. They had multiple animals. And so we really need to get it cleaned up and brightened up. So Chris and his team came in here and painted it this beautiful gray. So this beautiful gray. We came in and we staged it. Really gave the space some meaning. And then we also came in and painted the kitchen. We staged it in here. And again, it's pretty simple staging, but it does not have to be fancy, you guys. And let me tell you, staging does make a difference. Let's go over to the bedroom. And so now this bedroom, a lot of people would think wasn't very big, but you come in here and you stage it and look at, we got a queen size bed, 2 end tables, still room for a dresser. And so it really does make a difference. So when you're thinking about listing, really think about who you're going to work with, because who you work with makes a difference.
These are all the things that we can provide for you with the Handley Advantage. We have the ability to do all this without having to hire other people to do it. It saves you time, it saves you money, and it helps us to market your house better.
That is our whole goal. That's our whole team's goal. The Handley Advantage team is we want to put more money in your pocket. That's our goal. It's not about being in a rush to sell things. It's really about taking care of your needs, what needs to be done to your house to make it beautiful, make it shine, and get you more money for your listing. So if you have any questions, give us a call, 612-390-6520, and really think about who you want to work with when you're selling your home. Have a great day.
Get yourself the Handley Advantage.